Hey, this is Kevin from Secure My Cargo. I'm going to give a quick demonstration of our latest strap that we came out with. People have been using our kayak straps, and then they asked for a dual kayak strap. So that's what we came out with. So the kit has, your regular nose strap, but this one's a little bit bigger. It has a section so it makes the loop and then quarantines it off to be 2 loops. And then that has cam straps that go out. And then you get 2 of these actual 8-foot cam straps to hold it down also. So I'm going to show you how this works right now. So first thing I did was I took one of these and I actually put it at the back of the bed already. And I kind of left some slack in it so it comes out like 2 feet, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm going to take these apart, trying to get the nose on there. So it's actually one big loop, but there's this little section in between that you use to quarantine it off to have 2 sections. I'm going to put this over here. So put that one on there, put this one up here. And then we're going to tighten this up to be a little tighter and squeeze them both a little together. Now, we actually added Velcro to a lot of the sections, so your excess, if you needed it, you could tighten it up. Now, one of the key things with this system really only works well if you're using it on kayaks that are pretty much the same length. Because you can see here, we're going to be pulling that way, we're going to be pulling that way, and one of the other things we're going to do is we're going to attach this other one from here to that way. So if you actually had a kayak that was way out here and you had it strapped here, no way it's going to get under the nose of this one. So I'm going to hop up here and place this on there. So I'm going to put this right here and clip that on that end, and then I'm going to put that out there. Hop up here. And then I'm going to attach this to this portion. And what that does is, so we're going to be pulling this way, we're going to be pulling back this way, and this way. So we're going to tighten this up. And that'll pull on that. Like I said, there's Velcro on there. You can wind this up, put that on there. And then by having this as a V, it actually covers the back of your kayak a little better also. So now, now that I got the nose on there, we're going to put this, I'm just going to attach it here. That's going to pull backwards on that one. Over here. Get the Velcro off this one. And this version also has the long straps on it. So if you did have a kayak or 2 canoes that went out way beyond the end of your bed, you could strap it down with these. Attach this up here. And make sure it's nice and tight, and should be good to go down the road. Shouldn't go anywhere. All right, that's a quick demo of our dual kayak strap from securemycargo.com. Thanks.